Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use voice chat in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, gotta open up roblox.com on your web browser. Okay, be on your computer or phone. Just find the gear icon or settings right here. Click on it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead over to your account info right here and make sure that your age is 13 plus. Okay. So if it says verify your age right here, just click on verify, follow simple prompts, and then once done, if your country or region requires phone number or phone number verification, well, just go ahead and follow the simple prompts as well as your birthday right here. Okay, as you can see here, mine says verified. And then once that's done, gotta go to the left panel and click on privacy and content restriction. And then in here, find communication. Here you have experience chat. Turn it on. Also direct chat if you want to enable it. Go back, party chat, on, all friends. Okay? And then once that's done, go ahead and open up a game that supports what? Microphone. Okay? Not all games in Roblox support microphone. Now, to actually go and use microphone, you'll have the microphone icon at the very top or at the top left of your screen or your game. That is it. That's how simple it is to use voice chat in Roblox. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.